If you've been hearing the buzz about bidets lately and want to start washing your own butt instead of just hearing everybody else tell you how great it is, you've landed on the right video. And if you're not sure where to start or what to buy, Tushy's got your butt hole covered. So stay tuned to get a quick guide to the entire line of Tushy bathroom products, including some super cool items you might not know even existed. Hey everybody, I'm Lauren, your Tushy enthusiast and better booty advocate. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on gut, butt, and poop health, and hit the bell so you get notified every time we post new videos. And make sure to head over to hellotushy.com/vlog to check out all of the products in this video. Let's start out with the star of the product line, our best-selling Tushy Classic 3.0. It washes your butt with a refreshing stream of water after you poop. And the cool thing about all of our bidets is that you can actually control both the spray angle and the pressure of the stream, so you can experience anything between a gentle river and Niagara Falls. Like all of our bidets, the Classic includes a smart spray, automatic self-cleaning nozzle, our trademark Schmut Shield, try saying that 3 times fast, that allows for easy crevice-free cleaning, and antimicrobial knobs that prevent the growth of any gross bacteria. The Tushy Classic takes less than 10 minutes to install and doesn't require any electricity or plumbing, so having a clean butt won't add to your bills each month. And check out all of these stylish classic colors and knobs you can choose from, plus limited edition blue, pink, and black attachments. Drop a comment below on which color you are vibing with, and if you want to learn more and see it in action, check out this video we have on the Tushy 3.0. It'll be linked in the description. Are you liking everything about the Classic bidet, but are you wondering if there's any way to change the water temperature so you can feel like you're in a jacuzzi? Enter TUSHY Spa 3.0. This bad boy gives you everything that the Classic does, but with the added feature of temperature controlled water that you can adjust to your liking with the temperature knob. No electricity is involved, folks. All you have to do is connect it to your sink's water supply, and voila, you have a resort vacation and a butt washing machine all in one. If you want a better idea of whether the Spa or Classic would work better for you, we have a video where we do an in-depth review on the differences between the two. Like all of the videos we mentioned, it'll be linked in the description below. Now, to change into something a bit more classy for this next luxurious product, if you like what you're hearing about our bidets so far and want to feel like you're living in absolute luxury, you've got to check out the TUSHY Ace. It's our newest addition to the bidet family, and this bad boy is fit for royalty. It's the grand poupon of bidets for all you VI poopers out there. With a state-of-the-art remote control that mounts on the wall next to your toilet, you get to adjust not only the water temperature and angle, but the seat temperature, blow dryer, and drumroll please, the nozzle oscillation, meaning you can literally get your butthole its own personal masseuse. You heard right, it moves back and forth to physically massage between your cheeks. And if you so please, this same nozzle extension can be used to wash your front. Anything you want, you get with TUSHY Ace, so that you can rule the worlds of your rear end. Our videos on installation and a tutorial for the remote just dropped, so be sure to watch those videos if you're interested in trying TUSHY Ace for yourself. If you decide the royal butt blow drying life isn't for you and you just want to opt into the Tushy Classic or the TUSHY Spa, why not still have a plush, environmentally friendly way to pat dry? TUSHY's drying system gives you 3 different ultra sustainable options, and you can opt into all 3 or just one. Our tissues, TP, and bum towels are all made from bamboo, which is a soft and fast-growing natural resource that grows over 3 feet taller every single day. Compare that to the 15 million trees killed for regular toilet paper each year. And if you're a tree hugger like me, the choice is clear. If you opt for the Tushy tissues, you can get our Tushy stand that kind of looks like a cool, stylish lamp and dispenses your tissues upside down. That way, you won't ever bite off more than you can poop. Plus, no more over versus under fights. Even though, let's be honest, it's over. If you are more standard toilet paper type of person, you don't want to give up on the roll altogether, getting dry with paper can still be environmentally friendly as long as you're using our premium bamboo toilet paper. You might be thinking, ugh, won't that be gritty and break apart super easily? No, Tushy's 3-ply bamboo TP is ultra soft, just like our tissues, so that way you won't have any post-wash butt burn. But maybe you're ready to give up on the paper life altogether. And if you want something soft and reusable, if that sounds like you, check out our bamboo bum towels that are naturally antibacterial and super absorbent for a plush, eco-friendly drying experience. You can pat yourself dry and then pat yourself on the back for helping the planet one poop at a time. And the even cooler thing about these towels is that you can take them on the go. So you can get dry after using your TUSHY Travel. We have an in-depth intro into the TUSHY all-in-one drying system on our channel, so be sure to give that one a watch too. Now, for the travel nut in your life or anyone who's got to go on the go, yes, I really do mean anywhere, because the TUSHY Travel comes with its own discreet carrying case and carabiner, so you can hook it up or slip it into any backpack, purse, hell, even a belt loop. This little guy has a hinged nozzle with a 3-point spout that you can squeeze to get a great clean wherever you go. Just fill it up with water from a clean source, do your thing, and get to spraying. Plus, it comes in colors that are great if you're a little more spunky or a little more low-key. And if you're in a pinch, you can even use this thing as a water bottle. If you want to learn more about this awesome innovation, watch our video tutorial on the TUSHY Travel over here. And don't think we forgot about all you constipated folks out there. TUSHY has a solution for almost every poop problem, even for relieving and easing your straining. If you want an easier way to number 2, try the TUSHY Ottoman for some elegance and efficiency in the bathroom. Both of the Ottomans we offer, the original and the relaxed, help the puborectal muscle to chill out and open up your beehole for optimum, faster pooping. The Ottomans fit discreetly in front of your toilet, blending into your bathroom and curving with the soles of your feet, so you can be comfortable and poised no matter how backed up you are. An in-depth intro and tutorial on our Ottoman is over here and in the description. And of course, the toilet cleaning. Our signature TUSHY brush comes with a sustainable, biodegradable toilet scrubber pads made of upcycled corn husks. And you don't even have to use any other cleaning agents because our brushes are infused with citric acid, lemon suds, and tea tree oil to leave your loo as sparkling clean as your butt. The minimalist, chic bamboo handle and design will complement your other TUSHY products perfectly. So go blend up a pina colada, turn on a coconut song, and start cleaning your bathroom in style with environmentally friendly materials. And when you're done cleaning, just toss it into the trash because these scrubbers are compostable and degrade back into the earth fast. And of course, we've got a great video on the brush too, so you'll be sure to check that out. But hold up, what if you don't just want 1 or 2 TUSHY products because you need them all? You can save money and the planet when you buy the TUSHY System all-in-one toileting method. You can save 20% on all of your products if you buy the system, which includes the TUSHY Classic, the stand with 8 boxes of bamboo tissues, the relaxed Ottoman, and the brush with 8 scrubbers. And hey, if you still can't get enough, check out our TUSHY merch, which includes this shirt that acts as a conversation starter and a super cute peach pin, a limited edition Ass Blast 3000 sticker for your bidet console, and our book to keep you entertained during your next number 2. Make sure to check out all of these products at hellotushy.com/vlog. I hope this video got you pumped to get your very own TUSHY products. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the poop scoop. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and happy pooping.